Broomfield landscape contractor. Dad's Diversified. Here in Windsor, Colorado. We're at the Pioneer Sand and Gravel. Today we brought up a couple of Apache boulders that we're going to install into our client's backyard in Broomfield, Colorado. We're starting out with the 1.5 inch bore through the entire hole, and then we'll drill a 2-inch hole at the top. This is for our bubbling rock water feature. We'll use a diamond bit, drill through these rocks, and we'll add 1.5 inch plumbing. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll hope to see you next time when we install these in the backyard for the bubbling rock water feature.